Hey guys, CSX601 here. We have another train here in Chesterton. I believe it is another westbound, but we'll see. Yeah, it's a westbound. NS, UP, Canadian Pacific units. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I just caught a whole new thing of CP units. Oh my god. Definitely uploading that.